Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Math Matters. Today's topic is angles. Which one? We will do it from class 4. Now, at first we have to know that what is an angle. The angle is space between two intersecting lines at a point which is called vertex. Now, space between, you can over here there are lots of figures, you can see that, and in every figure you can see except that one, every figure having two lines which are intersecting at a point B and making space between them, and this space between them is called angle. Here AOB, the space between here, it is called angle AOB. That one is exactly same AOB. Here also AOB. Here we are having a little bit big angle. This one is also called angle. That one you can see two almost straight line, almost now basically straight line, having a huge space between them, and here it is bigger than the straight one, and that one is bigger than this one. You can see a whole space between them, and here it is basically two lines are overlapping, like one AO and BO. Both of are overlapping and making almost a whole full circle rotation, and that one is called 360 degree basically. Okay, we will know it about later, but you have to know that the measuring unit of angle is degree, and I'm gonna show you which one is basically, you can see, hopefully let me zoom in a little bit. You can see this one is a protector, and every protector like this, every single protector basically are divided into 180 bashes. The marks you are actually checking here over there, these are called bashes. Every single mark is called one bash. This one is one bash, two bash, then three bashes, like this, and they are also known as degrees. When we are going to measure the line from here, we are going to use this 0. From this measurement, if we started to the angle open up at that point, we will start from 0 on our right side. But when we will measuring any angle from left side, on that time what we will do, we are going to count that 0 from here to there. Okay, you can see the next page. We can see that we have a protector over here, and every single mark or bashes are called degree. This is almost almost shown in the picture of your book, page number 148. Which one is, if you can open it, you can check it by yourself, and the protector is pretty much clear over here. So degrees are written like this. We will write down the number, and we are going to do what? We are going to put one small 0 on top of right side of it, so that we can understand that that is degree. Here it is right angle equal to 90 degree. From this page basically we are going to learn how to measurement the angles. Measuring the angles, we are going to, for that we are going to need our protector. Please take your geometry box, open it up, and take your protector, so that we can use it for measuring. First of all, we are going to measure that A1. Let me focus a little bit. What we are going to do, we are going to take our protector and we are going to place that line. Hopefully you can see the last line. We are going to put it over there. Okay, exactly. All as always, I told you the vertex point, we were going to put it over here, the point exactly like this point, and we are going to put that one over here, and this straight line on that straight line. Let's do it. Okay, I have put it that one. You can see that we are going to, as you have seen that we are going to start, we are going to measure the angle which is actually opening from that side. Our open mouth is on our right side, so we are going to start from that 0. We can see that the line is basically from 0 to up to 50 and more half, that means 55. That means it is 55 degree. You can see it right now. Let me focus a little. Now you can see it properly or clearly. I hope that we have from 0 to 10, then 20 bashes, then 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, and the line intersect basically in between 50 and 60. It means the in between line is 55 degrees. So we are going to take our pencil. Where is your pencil? Take your pencil, and we are going to write down the angle which is actually A equal to 55 degree. Okay, now let's go for the B one. Exactly like before, match it up. In my book I can see that it is actually it is opening, its open mouth is on that side, left side. So we are going to count from that 0. We are going to count from that 0 to 10. Then it didn't reach up to 20. It reached up to only 1 bashes. It is left 1 bashes to 20, so it is actually 19. So we are going to write down 19 over here. You can see that I'm giving the degrees over there and there. It's a small 0, looks like small 0, but we will call it a degree. Okay, the next one you can see that is this C. Oh my god, it is totally fixing up at 90 degree, totally fixing up at 90 degree from here, from 0 to all the up way over here. You can see it's totally 90 degree. So C equal to 90 degree, and hopefully you all of you know that the 90 degree means actually right angle. From class 3 you have already learned that thing. Now let's go for D number, and still it is having the open side on which side? On our right side. So we are going to do what? We are going to count from that 0 and all the way up to let's see that one is perfectly on line or not. Now you can see we will go up to from 0 to all the way. Oh my god, it is little bit in between 130 and 120, but it didn't reach the half. It means only 1 bash hopefully left, so it will be 24. It will be 124. You have to count actually. Hopefully you have the good protector with you. Now the last one, E number, let's place it, and it is ta-da, small one. The line should be exactly, oh my god, you can see that the both of the line exactly started from 0 on all the way up to 108. As it is 180, let's write down E equal to 180. Let me tell you, this one is a straight angle. This one is called 180 degree angle is called straight angle. From next page, I want to show you how to draw if they give you the measurement of any angle with protector. The first one we can say that we are going to do from Y3, that one is 30 degree angle. The next one is 75 degree, or the next one 90 degree, and 135 degree and 180 degree. Let's do that. So let's start with 30 degree angle. At first what we are going to do, we are going to use a line. We can use both of the scale or protector for that one. I'm gonna use a protector for that one. Let's see. At first, what we are going to do, we are going to give us line for base. This is my line. This is my this would be my vertex, okay, and let's put it over here. You can see that I have matched the both line, and we are going to mark at point 30 from like 10, 20, and this is my 30. Let's see that one. I'm gonna mark it over here. Now let's add that line and our vertex. This is our 30-degree angle. Now that 75-degree angle I'm gonna show you. Let's do that one. The straight line, matching up that point and that line. I've already set up the protector. Now what we are going to do, let me show you another thing. Whenever I try to teach my students, always I say look from above, just directly eyesight একদম উপরে থাকবে, exactly like this. Now you can see that line and that line exactly in same position, and we are going to mark up to 75, and we will go start from 0 to 70, then half of 70 is over here. This line belongs over there, so just pick up the line and put the dot over here. Let's add them. You can see I didn't touch the line. You can see just I have done what, I have kept my protector just beside it. I'm gonna join that part. That's it. This is our 75 degree. This is a 75. Now we are going to go to for 90 degree. What I'm gonna do, again just draw the line. And now what I'm gonna do, as you can see that I was keeping my angle on that right side. Now I'm gonna keep it on our left side. So I'm gonna put the protector and place it over here on that side. Just make it equal, and we will start counting from the, not that line, we'll start from 0 from our left side now, because we are drawing the angle from our left side. Start from 0 up to all up to 90. I hope that one is the point. That is our point over here, 90. Now I'm gonna add that. That's it. This is our 90 degree, and whenever we are drawing 90 degree, we are basically give that straight one, not the circle one, because we are drawing 90 degree and it is a right angle. Now this one, 135, mashallah, it's pretty healthy one. Okay, let's do that one. Let's write down the line. You can see that line, and we are going to put it over here, exactly here. Then we'll, as I'm keeping that one as right side, again I'm taking right side again, so I will start from 0 from 135, 0 to 90, 100, 110, 20, 30 and 35. That means that line, you can see that line goes directly over here, and that one is here. So we are going to just add them. See, this is our 135 degree. The last one is not the least one. Basically this one is 180 degree, and we'll just do that one. Keeping the line over here, joining protector on overlapping. Now from 0 to, let me hold it over here, 0 to 180. Oh my god, that one is over here, the last point. So that the last point, You can see I have marked the last point, and now just join that two part, and that two part makes 100. You can see that the lines are basically exactly in same position, so that would be your vertex, and this is our angle 180 degree. You have seen that I haven't marked or I haven't gave them any name. Let's give them name. Okay, the first one we will say angle A O B. We can say that. On that time we will write down like this, angle A O B. Always remember that we are going to write down the vertex on the middle. This is our vertex and this is our vertex in the middle. Don't forget that. And that sign basically you can say smaller than but basically it's not smaller than like this, and that one is angle sign, so don't forget that one. Okay, now the next one, let's name it little bit something else. Always try to do one thing. Basically what I teach my student is I ask them to keep it in an alphabetical letter, so that would be A, B and C. So this angle will be named as B in the middle. We will start from A, B, C. So A, B and C. The next one 90 degree, let's do this. I want to name it as a P, Q, R. Okay, so what would be our name? Our name will be angle P, Q, R. My pencil lid. Okay, P, Q, R. The next one, why not X, Y, Z? We can give X, Y and Z. So angle X, Y, Z. The last one, not the least one, let's see, that one are named as C, D, E. Okay, on the time what will happen? We will write down D in the middle. Don't worry about the letters, because if you want to write down, just write down in a sync. Write down one after another, A, B, C or P, Q, R, or like X, Y, Z or S, R, T, U, V, W, like this. Okay, use this kind of letter for naming your angles. I have shown you from this page 151 all the angles how to draw, and I hope that you can draw basically the angles which are on 3 number over here, 25 degree, 175 degree, 90 degree, and already I have shown these two. You can do it by yourself, inshallah. And now next I want to this one already you can use it. I have shown you how to do it. You can do it by yourself by using protector. That one also, if you have any confusion, let me do at least this 2 number so that there will be no confusion. You can see, let's put it over here, the vertex and the line in same alignment, and you can see we are going to start from which number we are going to start, 180, as the angle is having open face over here. No, we are going to start from the 0, so up to the line is in between 10 and 20. So you can see after 15 bashes it will go for one more bashes, so it will be 16 degree. It will be 16 degree. And the next one, let's see that one. That line hits, we will start from that way. That line hits up to okay, 90, 100 and 100, 90, 100 and 105 and 100 and 2 more bashes. So it will be 107. I hope that you can understand that part. Now I want to give you another thing from the page 153. In 153, you can see that from white 4 and white 4, you can see that let me take my pencil. Basically on my book I like to use pencil, all of you know that. Here you can see this angle is having that side and it is actually 90-degree angle. It is a 90-degree angle. So how to find out? Already that part is called that part is having what, with that 90-degree angle is divided into two angles. That one is one angle and that one is another angle, and they are actually adjacent angle to each other and also called complementary angle. We will know it later. For now just let's start how to find out the another part value. Okay, as whole side is 90-degree, so that part would be 90 minus 30. What would be 90 minus 30? Because from that 90-degree angle we are removing that 30-degree. From whole 90-degree we are removing 30-degree, so we have to subtract 30 from 90 and we will get 60-degree. Let's do that one also. You can say this is a straight angle. Straight angle. After watching this video for few times, you will definitely know what is straight angle, and on the time you will understand better. Let me tell you that the whole thing is actually 180-degree. 180-degree, and that part is one part and that is another part, and that part gave you the measurement 110, and that means we have to remove that 110 from the whole straight angle to find out that one. So 110 will be removed from 180. 180 minus 110, what would be the measurement? That would be 70. Hopefully it should be 70. Okay, and you can see that there are more over here like this, and I want to explain that one also. But at first what we are going to do, we are going to get some little bit knowledge from the other part of the book. Let's do that one first. I want to talk about angles. Okay, the first one is a simple angle. The space between two intersecting line at a vertex is called an angle, and you can see that I have write down here ABC is an angle. ABC, the vertex will be in the middle. The vertex point will be written in the middle. Okay, now the characteristics. As you know that in class 4 you are going to you are preparing for PC style examination. On the time you definitely need to know about the characteristics, and we are going to know about that, and these are the 3 characteristics you are supposed to learn. Okay, an angle has 2 arms, that means that one and that one. Okay, it has a vertex, the pointed part, and its 2 arms are straight line. We will say the 2 arms are basically as a straight line. From here you can see I have written down the right angle over here, and right angle is an angle equal to 90 degree is called right angle. So that is the angle here A. I have given you the angle sign over here. You have to give it, don't forget about it. Angle ABC is the right angle. From here when they will ask you on short question on that time, you will write down only that part, this one line. Okay, but if they gave you on the geometrical part on that time, what you are going to do, you are going to write down that line first, then the picture, then you will write down this line on the last page, bottom of the figure. Also I want to talk about the acute angle. An angle less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. All of you that know that what is 90 degree. If you measure it, then it will be looking like the straight line, right? The straight line, that is the 90 degree angle, but it is less than 90 degree. If this line get over here, it's still acute angle. If it is go up that part, then it's still it is an acute angle till it doesn't touch the 90-degree line. Okay, the another one, obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90-degree is called obtuse angle. As you know that that part is 90-degree and it is actually bigger than 90-degree. It means that angle PQR is a obtuse angle, obtuse angle. Okay, that is the three definition from here. What you are going to do if they ask you about only in short question, you are going to write down the definition only. That means that lines. If they give you they ask you to draw with the figure, what you are going to do, you are going to write down the definition, then write down the picture over here, then this line, the last line here, angle, this is that angle, this is that angle. On that time you will write down on the bottom of the figure. Okay, another angle is left, that one is actually 180-degree. An angle equal to 180-degree is called straight angle. Exactly like that you are going to write down. I'm going to give you this document pictures. I will give you the link of these documents down below the picture video. You can check it by yourself. Now I want to talk about adjacent angle. You can see that there are two angles, AOB and BOC. These two angles are basically touching each other, not overlapping. Not overlapping, just touching, and they are having one common side and one common vertex. Okay, so this is why we can say AOB and BOC are adjacent angle to each other. There are two kind of adjacent angle. One is complementary angle, another is supplementary angle. I'm going to show you, and these are the characteristic. You take it from please write it from here. The characteristic, basically already I told you what is characteristic. The given things, the given information about this figure are the called characteristics. If you have any question, you can ask me. This is the complementary angle. When adjacent angle two adjacent angle makes 90-degree angle, both of them sum kurle both of them will make 90-degree angle. On the time they are called complementary angle to each other. Okay, and this is, you can see that the characteristic, you get it from here. Please write down it. If you have any question, again ask me. This is the supplementary angle. Now if adjacent angle, two adjacent angle make 180-degree on angle, on that time they are called supplementary angle to each other. If you have any problem to remember this stuff, then I will give you small information or small tip to remember about that one. Okay, S for supplementary, S for straight angle. Okay, don't forget that one. S for supplementary and S for straight angle. So straight angle goes to supplementary and the other one goes 90-degree goes to complementary angle. And this one is not less important. Basically there are two lines. As they are line, I am giving you the arrow sign. Two line AB and CD intersecting each other at point O and producing four angles. That one, that one, that one and that one. On that time this angle and that angle, the opposite angles are equal to each other. Okay, and these opposite angles are equal to each other. This is why they are called vertically opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles are equal, and these are the characteristics. Please write down. This is the last part I want to talk about, and then others you can do it by yourself. You can see this is the straight angle. Again from above, from over here, straight angle. Let me zoom up little bit. Okay, this is the last one we are going to talk about. I have zoomed it up. You can see that this 180 angle, if you think like this straight line 180 angle, then we have to find out that A angle. On that time 180 theke we have to subtract 60. If we subtract 60 from 180, what is left? Please tell me. I can tell you 120. Okay, 120. And as this one is a vertically opposite angle, this one and that one same. So D is equal to basically 40 degree. D is equal to 40 degree. And if you think about like this, that's the straight line, that means whole 180 degree. Then to find out E, we need to remove 40 degree. Then 180 থেকে 40, if you subtract, then it will be 140 degree. And this one is 20 degree and this is actually 90 degree. To find out C, we need to subtract 20 from 90 and we will get 70. Why should I write down 70 degree? And that one you already know that basically they are perpendicular to each other, so there will be 90 degree angle. So from the last page 155, you can find it by yourself. What you are going to do, you are going to remove the 35 from 90 degree and you will get that one, and this one is equal to that one, vertically opposite angles. So 45, it will be 45. Okay, vertically opposite angle, they are basically same. And to find out that part, you need to do what? Remove this. Is if this is straight line, then you need to remove 45 degree from 180, you will get this. And if you get that one, you will get that one also. Please try to do it by yourself. These are very pretty easy. Use your protector, that's it. And 6 number is not in your second term syllabus, so don't worry about that one. And we will see you on next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Goodbye.